Hey everyone, Jacob Lundquist here, JLQ Knives, and I have today is a North Arm Skaha in the royal blue, and I was going to take this guy apart and see if I can get this thing just cleaned out a little bit. So I have had this for a little over 2 weeks. It still operates just incredible. And I thought, hey, maybe it can even be even better than that, which is still insane. So here we go. We're going to tear this thing apart for the first time and see what we can do. So let's get on to it right now. All right, so here we go. I forgot to gotta watch how they did this again, but I'll just crack her open here. Pivot out. Don't damage any threads. You can kind of put your screw right through there. Pivots out, which makes the blade free. Oh, cage bearing there. Oh, another one. Couple bearings. Now the fun part. That was T10. These are T8, I believe. In the back. Gonna take them both out, I think. I think it comes out really nicely. Good threads on everything. Nice job, North Arms. Alright, so now the fun part. I want you to pry. So I got a little pry bar here that I some tape on. That's not too bad. Front came out okay. Gentle. There we go. Oh, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. I was all scared for no reason. So, definitely a little grimy. Nothing too terrible there. No scratching. So they have a nice washer for the bearings to ride on. I'm just going to get all this stuff cleaned up. And there it is. Just showing you guys. Well, got like little markings there. -8 thou. Interesting. You can see all the machining marks on this. So they make all this by themselves. They have a flat detent ball. It's contoured really nice. Nice springiness. Machine there to take out any of the stress to help out. They say don't take this off if you don't have to. So because they actually thread in those two right inside there. So all in all, not bad. I'm gonna just take a cloth here. Got a little solution over here. Clean all this off here. Detent area. Nice. Make the G10 a little bit. It's a little oily. Nothing too bad though. Maybe it's just. Oh, it's kind of fun to see the G10 though. Its raw state. In there. I should get some Q-tips. Get that little gunk out. A little dusty, pocket lint and all that fun stuff. Some isopropyl alcohol over there. clean ones right there. Rocket science, right? Definitely doesn't look like it on my side. Clean the ball bearings a little bit. Everything's pretty darn clean. Nothing too crazy there. Clean the pivot. Really simple through pivot. It's a free spinning pivot. Not a big deal there. And then that's it. And we're gonna start assembly already. Cool. All right, just got some of this nano oil for the first time, so I'm gonna try that out. So let's put in the bearings, or the washers, both sides there. Uncap, dethrone the nano oil there. We're just gonna drop on each side there. There we go. Then I'm gonna put, what side did I take this thing apart from? Yeah, with the back side. The pivot through. Come on. Push the pivot through the back. Oof, come on. What the heck? No, that's what it did. Oops. There we go. It's got a liner straight in. There we go. A little oil on the pivot. Kind of whip that oil all over my finger. Never know if there's a right or a wrong way to put these bearings. I'm going to put the cage side down. And oil the detent track. A little oil on where the bearing goes. Flip that guy around. I'm going to press down on there. There we go. Okay. We'll oil where the other bearing goes. Actually, what I did, I'm going to do this. Track up. Spin that around. All right. It just kind of slides in there. Very nice. I mean, really good fit and finish there. So take this one, just kind of spin it in by hand. Nothing too crazy going on. The lock up. So I put these in just ever so tight, nothing too crazy. This thing was perfectly centered. I hope I don't screw any of this up, but that's the fun part, guys. I mean, it's fun taking these things apart and seeing how they work and seeing how they do things. I'm a design engineer myself, so I really love to see the mechanics. Also, I've been machining my entire life, so I love and appreciate. Just gotta get these nice and snug. Nothing too crazy, just right when they stop, give it just a hair turn more. No, I didn't loosen up the back side, just the show side, so I'm just gonna get that just. Whoa. Yeah, she got a little quicker. What? Oh my goodness gracious. Did I forget to put something in? My centering is off. So that might be Oh, there we go. Just a little loose on the pivot. Oh, she's right there. Little blade play. Still, oh, there it is. Yeah, that was very nice. Lateral blade play, side to side, centering. Perfect. Wow. And there is the North Arm Skaha. Cool.